Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Friends, today we discuss about a stationary state perturbation theory. This is important topic friends. Today we discuss about a stationary state perturbation theory. Degenerate case. First case we discussed in previous video friends, you can see. And today we discuss about degenerate case, a stationary state perturbation theory. From this study of non-degenerate, it is seen that perturbation theory is essentially an expansion in terms of quantities like lambda m v n. This series is more conservation if lambda is small compared to the energy difference absolute n minus absolute m. On the other hand, of the states n are degenerate such that En is equal to absolute Em but mvn not equal to 0. Then the perturbation theory falls. We consider this problem and try to remove is difficult. Let k number of states Na, Nb, Nk be degenerate states of the unperturbed states of the unperturbed Hamiltonian H0, then H0 Ni is equal to absolute n by Ni. This is equation 1, and where I is equal to QBK. If Na, V, Nb not equal to 0 for A not equal to B, then this expression falls because in calorimeter absolute Na minus Enb is equal to 0. To handle this problem, we follow the method as stated below. Any linear combination of a state Na, Nr is an eigenstate of H0 with eigenvalues En if we state n lambda, where n lambda is equal to summation k I is equal to alpha Ri Ni. This is equation 2 friends. Such that alpha n alpha v n beta is equal to 0 for alpha not equal to b. This is equation 3 friends. We can use the perturbation series as En is equal to absolute En plus lambda alpha n v n plus lambda square summation m not equal to n alpha n v m plus dot 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 alpha m v n by absolute n minus em. Because the vanishing denominator will always be accompanied by vanishing numerator from equation, it is clear that the approximate choice of the basic vector to be used, therefore the one which diagonalizes V within the group. And then friends, two of degenerate states n of H0 with energy absolute n, then it is necessary to diagonalize V within the group of states Na, Nk. Then we have find the eigenvalues of k cross k matrix. You can see friends, alpha Na V Na, Na V Nb, Na V Nk. This is equation 4 friends. You can see and write now friends. If C alpha I are the components of the eigenvector C alpha of the matrix C has given in equation 4, then Nb V n lambda is equal to 0 for alpha not is equal to beta to n beta n alpha is equal to alpha beta, where is equal to summation j is equal to C bj C beta j rho ij is equal to summation j C beta j C alpha j is equal to rho into beta. This is equation 5 friends. Let E n alpha be the eigenvalues of 4, then summation I alpha nj v nj C alpha I is equal to C alpha j En alpha. This is equation 6 friends. Multiplying equation 6c star bj beta j on the left and summing over j, we get summation j c star beta j alpha n j v n I c alpha I summation j c beta j c alpha I e n alpha. This is equation 7, friends. Using alpha n beta is equal to summation j c beta j alpha ni and n alpha is equal to summation I c alpha I ni. This is equation 8, friends. That is alpha n beta v n alpha is equal to 0 for alpha not equal to beta. The eigenvalues E and alpha are the first order energy shift to the energy states n alpha, hence degenerate energy levels of n split into k minus distinct levels denoted by E and alpha, where alpha is equal to 1 to 2 ... k. The state n alpha is then given by n alpha is equal to n alpha plus lambda summation I m alpha m v n alpha E n alpha minus E m, where E dash m means that the sum does not any